Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to fix when the battery level of the left and right earbuds are different. And the first one what we can start is to check software version if you have the last one. So open the application and right here click check for updates. It says that I have the last one. If you haven't, just install a new one and maybe it fixes your problem. If it doesn't, we should perform a hard reset. So, put your earbuds to the charging case, and after that tap 7 times on the one earbud and then to the next one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And now it should blinking fast, so I make it bad. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, now we have it. And after that, tap quick 7 times at another earbud. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And again, we have it. After that, remove your earbuds from the charging case. And firstly, we should remove it. So click the information icon or settings icon. Forget this device, forget device. Also, if you have Android, click pair new device. And after a hard reset, it enters to prank mode automatically. So just click on it at the device list. And we did it. Now, if it also didn't help you, you need to check it, of course, and if it didn't help you, the last what I recommend is to fully charge your earbuds. And then check, maybe battery levels will update and you will see that they're the same. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later.